And this shutter's done already. Absolute belter. Short and sweet that. It's only took them a couple of hours really, hasn't it? Yeah. And my glamorous assistant Carl's going to demonstrate it now. Go on then. Good morning. Monday. Start another week here at Airedale fencing. Oof. Got it with a windy one last night. Storm, is it Asia or something? I don't know. We've had that many this year, haven't we? So yeah, the lads are just loading up. Going back to Tiffin Sandwiches. Loading up now. It's already gone down a lot, this big pile of palisade. Look. Got them loading up here. Just getting last few pails and that on now. And Carl's going to start making some gates here. We've got a couple of little single gates that we're just going to make here. So yeah, hopefully should be okay. The lads will, Justin's off ill still today, bless him. Hope he gets well soon. He didn't sound right good when I spoke to him on the phone. Probably be back in tomorrow, I thought. But it's forecast really bad tomorrow as well, so just that time here we start to plod on, do what we can at the minute. So I'll catch you later.
Right, good morning. We've loaded out already. It's this track we were on, were frozen last week, but on there it's turned to slop, so it's going to make the job twice as hard for us loading out. But we got all this paled off Friday. So yeah, we're hoping to have another good day on it. We're all loaded out here. So we're just hoping weather holds off, because it's forecast some really bad winds. We can deal with a bit of rain, but see how we get on. So we'll be back with you soon.
12 seconds later.
Well, this dream job's just turned into a f***ing nightmare. It's f***ing lethal down there. It's like f***ing battle at Somme in trenches. It gets even worse. Just no idea how we're going to get f***ing gear down here now. We're going to have to come downhill with it. It's horrendous. We can't be f***ing trudging through that. Baggy's just gone flying. Look at that. No chance of taking that trap barrier down there. Where we're working it's not too bad, so other than come down that hill, I don't know what we're going to do. Fucking wants 2 labourers on it, in all fairness. But we'll plod on. We've got 18 in today. We've got 4 more to put in, so we've got 18 bays in. But just hope we get some cold weather and it freezes overnight. But it's drying out on here. It's not too bad, like I say, but up there it's fucking horrendous.
A new record! Hey up. Monday afternoon, still cold. Look at me, with my hat on. What are you saying, Carl?
We're getting there.
Yeah, he's making a meal of this gate.
Right.
It's his first one, but he's that's all right, I'll turn it round. His welds are pretty good. They're not bad. But yeah, it's going well. We've just got a couple of singles to make. And then we've got some doubles to do then, haven't we? But we're just sort of messing about here. We're waiting for... It's a bit windy and cold, but they've just confirmed they're coming to fit a shutter here on Thursday, so that'll be a lot better. In fact, you better get on with making that door there then, haven't you?
Yeah, I've done Fred.
Have you?
Yeah, I'm waiting on these...
What, we're going to clad it with just some timber?
Yeah.
He'll probably do that tomorrow. It's forecast tomorrow's meant to be even worse, like torrential rain. So I don't know if the lads will go on site tomorrow. If not, they're going to help us put this beam and clad this. So we've a bit to do. Justin might even be back in, I don't know, but he's off grid, so he never lets you know what he's doing. Good morning. No, good morning. In fact, it's just started drizzling, I think, but we're just having a bit of a sort out in yard for taking all this palisade now. I think I'm going to move that. I'm going to move that little steel one over there and put it over here. Matters as bits and bats in, but we've just had a bit of a problem with vans really. We're going to clean all these today. He had a bit of a problem with my old 4x4 truck over there. Power went and engine management light come on. Anyway, we've got a resident mechanic, Carl, now, so. And then we've just started Matt's little van here. Same, that had engine management come on, but it's good having a little mechanic in team now. He just sorted it out. He put his little computer thing on and sorted it out. So that's just saved us a few £100 straight away. So yeah, we've just in his orders to get this van cleaned out, and they're like bloody skips, brand new vehicles. So he's going to sort all them out today. Lads have gone back to Tiffin Sandwiches. Hope the weather keeps off for them there. It's a bit rough down where they are, but Justin's going to call in and check on them.
Right, so got Carl, we're just fixing brace on here. Lads are back from other job, absolutely soaking. Look at state at Baggy. Looks like he's been out in trenches. Things he does for Airedale. Right, you know Mark sat in his nice warm office with his heaters on, isn't he? Shall we go have a look? This is what we're all putting up with. Right, let's go see where Mark is. Where he's nice and cosy. Boss, this is what boss gets you. Look at this. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend himself. I'm just showing him boss lifestyle. You what? Have you? Here's your keys, I'll grab them. Yeah, okay, it's lovely.
We're just getting on here. Just about to put this header on here that they've bolted together. Just making some little brackets for it. We'll get this on and then that'll be done. Suppose we can clad that later, Carl, can't we?
Yeah, we can. Justin did start it.
Well, we've got all this to finish it off with anyway.
Right.
I'll strip it all down, you know.
Oh yeah.
So that
Yeah, we'll clad above it and then just your gate to do, I suppose, then your door, aren't you?
Front frame already.
And then it'll be moving in here, will Carl?
Keep it on the lights on.
Capping it in it, yeah, he's getting enough lights.
He'd let you live here if you had lights off.
Get a cap, don't give Baggy a key. Be able to carpet it out. Job's a good one. Somebody's put radio back on.
I just turned it off.
Sorry YouTube.
Turn it back on.
Any infringement notices, send them to Justin, please. I know, he should have got a bloody DeWalt one.
Hey, it worked fine. It must be on camera, Carl. Get that mask on, lad.
Well, that's an improvement. Cover that ginger beard and hair.
I've wanted in a few countries. Right, I'm going to weld this off.
This is looking good, Carl. I like the look of that, lad.
Alright.
Turn this round. Get this. His first mesh gate that he's made, which is pretty good. I'm impressed with that. We've got some caps, haven't we?
Yeah, I'm not sure if I've got any more 80 mil. I need to run this really spot.
I think there's 2. I've seen 2.
I've got 2 out for the other one already.
Have you got some 60x40s for?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a rounded top, that's all.
It's looking good, is that, isn't it? I'll get Justin to run it down at Galva's later. That's good. Yeah, it's just that a little quick job we've had come in actually. Like I say, so lads, it were looking a bit slow, and then, as it always happens, peaks and troughs, and then a load of work's just coming. But this was a bit of an emergency gate. It's one that they've had on site, it's come off at hinges, so that's why he's knocked that up quickly. But I've got another couple ready to go here. One's for this door that he's been making, which I think he's going to get on with now. So anyway, I'm waffling, I'll leave it at that, and I'll catch you in a bit.
Here we are, guys, at Metal Treat. First gate's getting galvanised, and we'll look back on this in the future when we're 100 gates into it. Yeah, it's as easy as that. Get them here, get it done, and get them back for pickup. Come to check lad's job to see how they were getting on. They've actually took the day off today. Rare occasion. Baggy's not feeling too well. They did come in this morning, and we actually thought the weather was going to be really bad. This is what they're actually working in at the minute, is trying to get past this first bit. What's a struggle, because it's like a bog. Might have to come with a couple of tons and just put some stuff down, because trying to get palisade to the other side of this site's a bit of a nightmare. Even I'm struggling to walk through this, and all I've got is my phone in my hand to get to the other side. So I hope to God we don't get a video of me going flat on my face. I know everybody would like to see it, but it's not what I want at the end of the day. So yeah, I just come check it out. It's hard to get an angle to actually even look at this, because this is what, you know what I mean, that's what you're trying to compete with. Get to the other side. Yeah, there you go. Looking good. Coming all the way down that hill as well. All the way down, and then going all the way back up other side. To be honest, it's this first run, it's just absolutely horrible. But as you can imagine, the only way to get to the other side is to go through all this. So I can understand it's not the best. It's another day at Airedale done, and let's get home and get our feet up, eh? Oh, whoa, nearly. That was nearly going to be a bad end day, that. Friday, weekend inbound. Just wait lads at Tiffin Sandwiches. As you can see, we're nearly at the goal, nearly. All this is going to be paled and railed today. Lads are just bringing rails down now, pails. Come on, Baggy, lead the way, let me see you fall.
Idiot, put it the wrong way.
Who do you think?
Jamie.
More than likely, mate. He's the only idiot I know. I'm just loading them out with pails, giving them an hand. You'll see it's not too bad here. Yeah, not looking bad. About another 15 to load out. That fucking wait. Here we go, slowest paler in West, we call Jamie. Come on Jamie, show him how slow you are.
I started that baby.
Exactly.
To you when I finished it.
Exactly, yeah. We all know Jamie's slowest paler around here. Pretty much slow at everything he does. Well done. Come back and hit him again.
Good morning. Ooh, good news, the lads have turned up here to do us shutter. We'll be glad to get that in. What, sorry? Yeah, lads just want some power here, but yeah, they're on with the shutter here, so we're glad to see this go on, Carl, won't we? We finally keep us told. Carl's doing his little gate for entrance, which we'll probably use. I bet we don't even open this that much once it's on, but yeah, summertime, keep it all. Obviously getting materials and stuff in and out, but we'll probably use that entrance gate mainly. shutter's done already. Absolute belter. Short and sweet that. It's only took them a couple of hours really, isn't it? Yeah. I'll just turn it round. You can see they've fitted it there. And my glamorous assistant Carl's going to demonstrate it now. Go on then. It's coming down there. I'll just I'll get under it. Can't argue with that. Nice and smooth and all. We are going to clad above there. That's what Carl's going to do today actually. Can't argue with that, can we? Fucking sound that, isn't it? Once we're clad up there, we weren't sure what they needed to do. That's why we sort of left it like that for now. And Carl's already made frame of his gate here. So he's going to clad that with a bit of steel and a bit of wood. So it's in keeping. So a bit more secure then. Fantastic that. Lads have just come back actually. They've panicked over on that big job. It's been a bit of boggy, but Justin went and Baggy got his brother Andrew in to give him hand today. So yeah, it's gone okay on it, Baggy, that job.
Yeah, it's gone
Like I say, it's been boggy the last few days with rain, but they've had a good day at it today, so they're just down the other side of the hill to go now, which isn't as steep, so it's not that bad. As you can see, we've got a shutter on here, we've just got a clad up there. So yeah, I'm just going to drop Baggy off now. I think he's... Are you going for a game of snooker, are you, mate? Yeah, chop him at snooker club. So yeah, we'll call it a day on that. Another week at Airedale. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Whilst you're here, why not subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.